Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Soft Play is a fantastic way to provide children with an enjoyable and interactive experience that is both safe and healthy. If you're looking for a guide on the Soft Play rental business, so you have come to the right place. If you love children, have an entrepreneurial spirit, and want to make a difference in your community, this could be the perfect business opportunity for you. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Research and planning. Before diving into any business venture, it's important to do thorough research and planning. Begin by assessing the market demand for soft play rentals in your area. Look at the competition, pricing, and target audience. Determine your business goals, such as the type of events you want to cater to and the age range you'll focus on. Step 2. Business structure and legal requirements. Next, decide on the legal structure of your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited liability company, LLC. Consult with a legal professional to ensure you meet all the requirements, such as obtaining business licenses, permits, and insurance. It's crucial to comply with local regulations and safety standards. Step 3. Buy soft play equipment. The heart of your business is the soft play equipment. Research reputable suppliers and choose high-quality, safe, and durable equipment that aligns with your target audience. Consider a variety of play structures, including slides, ball pits, climbing frames, and interactive games. Don't forget to invest in cleaning supplies to maintain hygiene standards. Step 4. Write a strategic business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your objectives, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational procedures. This plan will serve as your roadmap for success and will be essential when seeking financing or investors. Step 5. Establishing an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for any business. Create a professional website and utilize social media platforms to showcase your offerings, attract customers, and build brand awareness. Engage with your audience through creative content, promotions, and testimonials. Step 6. Define your pricing and packages. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like rental duration, package inclusions, and additional services such as delivery, setup, and staff assistance. Be sure to conduct a competitive analysis to ensure your pricing is fair and attractive to customers. Step 7. Marketing and advertising your service. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to reach your target audience effectively. Utilize online platforms, local directories, and parenting forums, and collaborate with event planners and local businesses. Consider offering promotional deals, discounts, or referral programs to attract initial customers and generate word of mouth. Step 8. Set up booking and customer service. Make it easy for customers to book your services by offering online booking options, clear pricing information, and a responsive customer support system. Provide excellent customer service throughout the booking process, addressing inquiries promptly and professionally. Step 9. Delivery, setup, and safety measures. Ensure smooth delivery and setup of your soft play equipment by having a reliable transportation system. Step 10. Growing and expanding your venture. As your business grows, consider expanding your offerings by introducing additional services such as themed party packages, add-on rentals, or event planning services. Continually evaluate customer feedback, adapt to market trends, and keep evolving to stay ahead in the industry. My final thought. Starting a soft play rental business can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Remember to prioritize safety, provide excellent customer service, and continuously adapt to market demands. We hope this step-by-step guide has given you valuable insights and inspiration to kickstart your own successful business. For more information, visit our blog and read the complete blog post step by step with the proper roadmap. You can search on Google, Soft Play Business Guide businesses.com. Also, you can check the blog post link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.